Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into a wacky Monday. And the market's just doing nothing, down 5 points, 0.1% down. And we are just going up and down and up and down and up and down. This is what we call the classic range day, where it ranges up, it ranges down, ranges up, ranges down. Look, you can even see the VWAP is flat and the hourly midband trickling down a little bit as we have AD made the high of the day here. And now we're just kind of drifting down, and we would expect the market to drift down as well, come back into this area before it starts doing this again. So probably for those of you that are zero DTE enthusiasts, it's a great day for you to trade. Yes, indeed. Volume is a little low. We got lunchtime chop happening now. Let's see the big green monster. Big green monster is on ES. There we go. So we drew this on Friday. So we are overbought. So we would anticipate at some point coming back into this area, probably around the 5097, 5100, and filling in these gaps for sure. So let's look at the expected move this week, see if what the expected move is. So we've been drifting up, right? Expected move going up, 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 and up. So last week we did not violate the expected move. This expected move is even higher than it was last week. The high looks like it's at around, 51.95 or so, 51.98. The low is at 50.75. So we'll see how the week shapes out. But this is clearly, ladies and gentlemen, a bull market. Do not bite it. Do not sell calls. What is wrong with y'all? All right, so that's the expected move. Let's look at our 200 daily moving average. We're still well above that, which means we can, this is one of the factors we've determined that we can use 50% of our buying power. So the 200 daily moving average, let's look at the 10 and 20 exponential moving average. The 10 weekly exponential average is above the 20 exponential moving average on the weekly basis, which means we can allocate 50% of our buying power to our strategy. And an alternate chart that we use there is the monthly, and we are above the 10-month moving average, which means guns away, baby. It is on. So let's look at linear regression to get a feel for the day and the week. Linear regression is at the mid band, and it is up, 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 and away, baby. Nothing to see here. Just easy money, y'all. Like shooting fish in the bucket, isn't it? Until it ain't. And that's what you got to be careful of. But everything now looks really, really good. So let's see how our little IRA is doing. Now, I called Charles Schwab today and asked him, hey, is it sure that y'all are not going to let us trade naked options on futures in IRA accounts when Charles Schwab takes over? They told me that we would continue to be able to do that. Now, that's what they told me today. Keep in mind, before they told me that we couldn't. So as of now, I'm willing to stay here, not move my account, and do what is necessary to, just to keep everything going. But no need to change now. They said that they're going to allow us to do that. So we shall see. We shall see. All right, let's see what our net lick is. We are at 72,592. 72,592. Oh, yeah, baby. 72,592. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now.
Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? We're up 3.13. Actually, we're more than that because we took 25,000 out of it. So we are well on. We're probably at 4% on the year. So we're looking really good. Let's look at our Greeks and ratios. Greeks and ratios, we want to do our deltas. 66 is positive and 50. 66 and 50. Let's look at that. 66 and 50. Yeah. I don't like it that some of my theta has gone down. And VIX is at probably still 13 handle, right? Let's see, chart. VIX is at 13.4. So we're getting paid a little bit today. That was down from Friday. And our buying power is, let's see, what is our buying power? Buying power is 17.9. So say 18.2. We'll put 18.2 on there. Okay, it's gone down. Now, the thing you need to look at is have any of my GTC orders filled, right? When you see your buying power going from 26 all the way down to 18, hey, what happened? Did any of my GTC orders fill? And let's look at our positions here to see if we've got something that it says we need to close. And indeed, y'all, we've got some trades that have 11 days left in them that says we need to get out of. So we could certainly close one of those today. Let's move over here. Take these out of the way. Hold on a second. Just show the blanks. There we go. So we got a couple that says we need to close. Okay, big deal. So the oldest one would be the 3850s. So let's look at closing those. And let's see, our position sizing says that after 15 weeks, we should have 29 positions. How many positions do we have? We've got 21. So we don't have enough positions on. And our weekly amount that we're supposed to put on is two per week. So I may have to put on three, especially if I'm taking one off because I don't have enough positions on, and we will underperform the market if we don't keep this thing churning, baby. So let's see. Let's go and put us on the trade. We may do a 3 trancher today just to get us up there. So let's go trade, and let's go micros. Hope y'all had a good weekend. We had a great weekend. Really good weekend. Let's see, 120 days. So we go 109. And let's go 5% profit. Oh, we're doing the 111 lately, though, aren't we? Let's do this. Look, we're going to be really close to our put debit spreads here. Let's do these 4750s. Look at there. 13 delta, 11% probability of being in the money. Let's sell that rich, juicy 4750 for 3150, maybe. All right. And let's do 3 tranches today. 2, 3. Let's see if we can get that filled. Come here, baby. Let's go. Not going to let me have it. So let's see here. Cancel replace. Let's make it 3125. And swing better. 4750s, 3125. 4750s, 3125. What do we say? 4750 at 3125. I think I've decided I'm not running for the school board. I was sick to my stomach thinking, oh my God, am I going to run for school board or not? And it was like, whoa. So I think I'm not. But that was a heck of a weekend trying to say, am I running for school board or not? You know, you think people run for school board and you go, oh, what are they thinking? They're crazy. And that's what I was thinking about myself. I'm like, what am I doing? Let's move. This is puts 2. All right. So this is naked. And someone said I needed to do a drop down that has today's date here rather than typing in the date. They did that on YouTube. And I thought, what a brilliant suggestion. So I'll just do a drop down that automatically brings the day's date in there. So I need to do that. So we did 109, right? Instead of typing in 3, 4, 24, that would save me a lot of digits. So we sold our naked put. So now let's do our put debit spreads. So we know we're going to do 3 of those. And PDS 114. Where are we going to put them? Well, let's see. So we want to go to a, what do we say, about a 25 delta or so. So there's 28, 23. Just don't want to pay over $10 for them if we can help it. Spy that one. Let's sell that one. There we go, 975. Let's do 3 of those. And probably can't get filled for 975, but we'll bump that up a little. Cancel replace. Let's go 985. Come here. Come here, little kitten. There. Okay. Let's get him in there. Probably going to have to move him up to 10, aren't I? Come on, fill it. Fill. Fill it. Turn it. All right, let's go a little above 10. I don't want to go much above 10. 1075 is the net. So let's go 1010. Oh, he won't give me a legal price. Oh, good Lord. 1,010? Hold on. Sorry. Where'd it go? Cancel orders. create duplicate order. And let's go 10 and a quarter. There we go, 10 and a quarter. So we did the 50, 50, 5,000, 50, 50, 5,000, 50, 50, 5,000 for 10 and a quarter. Oh, crap. 10 and a quarter. Debit spread 109, 3, 4, 24. And we said that it was going to be, what do we say? 10 and a quarter. All right, so we put 3 on. So the good part of that is by putting 3 on, y'all, what we need to do is take 1 off. That's kind of what I was hitting at there. So let's go and let's look at our things, and let's go here and look at our groups, show our groups. And first of all, let's put these things in our groups here. So we got ES positions, nothing there. We got nakeds here. Move to group, our nakeds. And let's move these to put debit spread. Good. Now, so let's go to our nakeds and see what we got going on here. Naked puts. So we've got, with 11 days to go, here's the ones that we can take off, right? So we've got the 3850s and the 3800s. We'll probably take off the one that's the most profitable, 98.6. So no need to leave it on there. Let's take that off and take our profits. The 3850s, create closing order for a quarter. We're going to try 20 cents because we are greedy. And nothing, jack squat crap, nothing. So let's go, and now we'll pay a quarter for them for the 3850s. There we go. Paid a quarter for them. Let's get those off. See if we got Applebee's money, baby. I'm going to tell you something. The riblets at Applebee's are not that good. But the ribs, the full rack of ribs, y'all, tasty. So what do we get out of these? We got out of these for a quarter. And we exited on 324. No, 3/4/24. So we made $268.24. Praise the Lord. And that's how you do it. Let's see what y'all chatting about here. Or just do an if function that fills it with the same date as your net lick date. Oh, that's cool. That's exactly right. I could do that too. You can do control plus and then colon. Let's say control plus colon in the cell, and it will put today's date in there. Get out of here. Keyboard shortcut, not to have to write it in each time. How about that? Control plus colon. Let me try that. So if we said we were going to enter today, here we go. So I go control plus colon.
You don't need a plus. Just
I don't need the
control. Yeah, control and semicolon.
Oh, control plus semicolon. Okay, control semicolon. Get out of here. How about that? Oh, that is cool. Control, I love that. All right, love it. All right, guys, that's it for today. So hope you all have a wonderful day. I will see y'all tomorrow.